Aquaba returnees. This is Adrian S.E. Cook, and this is Returnee Sankofa. And today we have a special guest with us, Richard Mantey Amoo. He is a returnee to Ghana, and he's recently returned to Ghana in recent years. And we did have him on the channel previously. And now today he's going to share with us some businesses that he thinks will be good for returnees to start. Okay, so Richard, since you're a return, what is your observation of some of the good business or best businesses that returnees back to Ghana can start?
Well. As you know, this is Richard Mantey Amoo. The businesses, I have observed that the most important business and the business that will give you a quick return is a food business. That's where you're going to get a good return when you venture into.
And why? Why food businesses?
Yeah, it's food business, I said, because you have to eat. No matter what, we have to eat. And something about, a business about food, growing food business, you always get people to patronize, and then the returns comes quick.
Mm-hmm. Well, what type of food businesses?
Okay, I'm referring to like you got a corner shop, well-established corner shop, a small supermarket, depending on how much money you got, and then the location is another aspect. And then apart from that, there are other businesses you have to go in, or you want to go in, like the medium scale, like a manufacturing company that, if you venture in, you can make it.
Mm-hmm. Are there any other businesses in the food industry?
Yeah, the food industry, I'm talking about the one that I have that I can attest to as very good is the oil business. I mean the edible oil. When you venture into that edible oil business, it's got a very, very good returns.
Okay.
Trust me.
All right. And I know I read something recently, anybody starting a restaurant is also going to do very well over there. What's your thinking on that?
Yeah, you're going to do good with a restaurant. One, the location, and then what type of food you do.
Mm-hmm.
That will determine, how people will rush there.
So talking about what type of food, so returnees they're coming from the United States, they're coming from Europe, they're coming from Australia, and so the diet is going to be a little different. What should they do? Should they open up a Ghanaian restaurant, or should they open up like African Americans? Should they open up a soul food restaurant? What kind of restaurants would be more successful?
The kind of restaurant when you come to Ghana here is like a Ghanaian people. When you open a restaurant doing the Ghanaian dishes, you only have to infuse it with a little African American, but like 90% Ghanaians patronize those places very well.
Okay.
When it's a Ghanaian restaurant,
right,
they patronize it very well.
Well, what I noticed the last time I was in Ghana, that there were a lot of more healthy restaurants, such as smoothies, natural foods, wraps, vegetarian restaurants. They seem to be doing better also.
Right. So like the natural foods, fruits, juices, whatever, can be like, in the forefront of the restaurant if you want to do that.
Mm-hmm.
That would be the first thing you meet before you go into the restaurant proper.
Right.
So that they say it before they go inside the restaurant. So once they get seated, waiting for their order, they can say, okay, the waiter will come, what drink can I give you? You want a beer? You want a soda? They can just say no. What are those stuff there?
Right.
the stuff you got outside there.
Right. Well,
So
I think Ghana is a great place for vegetarianism because you don't use a lot of chemicals and processing stuff. Just if you're using chemicals on your fruits and you decide you want to have a fruit, natural fruit drinks, you're actually processing them with the chemicals in them. So all natural fruits and vegetables, you can just juice them. You don't have to worry about chemicals and things. So that's what I like about Ghana. A lot of the food already is all natural. You just got to eat it, cook it and eat it, or have a salad and eat it. So those are good businesses also.
yeah,
I think they're going to do great, those kind of business, because we have a lot of people come that are into healthy foods.
yeah, that's right. These fruits are natural. You get them natural, not only natural, but I'm talking about a real natural compared to maybe when you go to Europe. So Europe, they patronize organic food that is so expensive, but when you come to Ghana here, everything is organic already.
Okay, that's good.
Everything is organic.
Yeah, right.
So we don't know nothing about. Not that we don't know, but that's not our style. Everything is grown organically. That's why our farmers depend on the season. Which season to go into which crop, which season is always good. If you want to venture into business, you have to start coming back and forth so that you get familiar with the country, and then you know exactly what you want to go into. If you want to go into a particular thing, it's good to get in touch with those who are in that business. Get affiliation with them. Get affiliated with them so that you know how to start, where to go. In case of the oil that I'm talking about, it's so good. And if you want to come into this oil business, like I'm saying, you can contact somebody because I know about it. I can introduce you to somebody who is in that business. If you discuss and you can partner, fine, because that person is already doing the oil. So that's about the oil, and it gives you a very, very good return. Very good.
So there's no need for Ghana to import oil because you can make it there yourself.
Yeah, we make the oil, the vegetable oil is made in Ghana. It's made in Ghana. And you can get a trip of oil like 45 tons, and the returns will be very good. Very good. So when you come and you are introduced to somebody who is already in that oil business, the person can choose to partner you or give you the guidelines as to how you can start your own.
Okay.
Yeah. And with that, I can easily introduce whoever is interested to a company that is already doing it. So if they want a partner, you only talk to the CEO, what he wants you guys to do.
Right. Okay. Very good. Both of these sound very interesting. So, and perhaps in the future, you'll be able to come back and share some more with us. But what we're doing on this channel, Returnee Sankofa, is we're starting a business sector where we're going to go around investigating some of the best businesses for returnees to start when they come to Ghana. So we're in the process of working on that now.
Okay, right. That'll be fine.
All right. So I want to thank you very much for your time. Medasi.
Thank you.